Well, bright and early, 7 o'clock in the morning. That's early for us. And we've got a little trip planned. We're gonna be picking something up. This is what we picked up. I don't remember the year. I think it's an 03 Ford. Has a ZF6 Dana 60. I don't know what the rear is. Completely stripped. We bought it, or he bought it originally for the axles, but we are actually going to convert something to run the ZF6 with the transfer case and these axles. Made it back. Sweaty as fuck. It's like 100 degrees out here. That's the crankcase breather. I'm just showing you how much is coming off. So the exhaust right now, as it's idling, is like 500. Normally it's like what, 350? Something like that. She's hot. The coolant is fine. We're just letting the turbo and all that cool down. Oh. That was a long trip. I think it took us about, see, we left it took 8 hours. Yeah, it took about 8 hours. Get this bitch. I picked it up for, how much was it again? 2300. 2300. So 2300 for a Dana 60 front, whatever the Ford rear end is, a ZF6 plus the transfer case and the drive lines.
Well, in the frame of the cab.
Well, in the frame of the cab, but that's fucking useless to us. We're just gonna scrap those.
So let's see.
Maybe the tank, we might use that.
Oh yeah, the fuel tank I definitely want to use.
Yep.
It's like 14 bolt.
14 bolt.
No, it's not a 14.
It's not a 14 bolt.
So
how many bolts do you count?
12.
12. Okay.
So it's probably a Dana 60.
It might be a Dana 60. I don't know axles
70.
well enough to. No, because a Dana 70 would probably be a dually.
Well, they do make Dana 70 single axles, so.
I don't think they used them on Fords, did they? I don't know. I don't know enough about what Ford used.
Yes, Ford did use them.
See the heat coming out of it. Maybe not on camera. Oh yeah, a little bit. Long trip.
Oh boy. This is going to be really hard to do, honestly.
Oh yeah, let me get the trucks. Pass to the rubber when we're done.
Alright.
Good?
Yep.
Alright.
Okay. Oh. Alright.
There you go.
Want to move the chocks? God, my ass is right up in this fucking stud.
Hold up.
Hold up. Gotta go. Oh, yeah. Chocks.
That didn't even move.
Well, that's good to know that the e-brake holds.
No, didn't even touch that one. All right, we're clear.
All right, scary part. All right, I'm on the brake. And I am off the brake completely.
Not moving?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna push it. No. It feels like it's locked up on something.
Oh, I don't know what's locked up on.
Try it in gear.
Well, no, it won't. It's not in gear. It hasn't been. Oh.
Oh man. Come on.
Well, I just say the brakes need to be redone.
Oh.
This thing doesn't roll at all.
No. I'm pushing very hard. There. Oh.
Good.
You good?
Yeah. If it's too far down, we'll just add that to the fucking toaster.
Yeah. Or just use the full length of the toe strap.
I don't know if it'll reach that far. I might have to add some length to it.
Maybe. It's a little camping rocking chair for his seat. Oh, all right. It's rolling real well.
Well, good news is it won't run away from us.
True. Oh man. It sounds so gummed up. Oh my god.
Can you help me?
Oh shit.
Watch your feet.
Okay. Oh!
Wow.
Are you pushing
I'm
on?
not touching anything. It's all loose.
Holy shit, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, shit. It's like the rotors are warped or something. Or the brake pads are stuck. Dude, it's not moving. Holy shit. All right, ready? How can I? Ready?
Yeah.
And you were worried about it rolling off the trailer. We can't even push it down a hill. Maybe get some, like, leverage on the tire. No. Ah! I'm still pushing. Oh. Oh. It's not gonna work, dude. We're pulling her with rim job there because we don't wanna. I don't want the brakes to suddenly fail and, you know, the truck runs headlong into my fucking daily driver. No, thank you. A rim job. And she's dirty, but she gets the job done.
Alright, that's good. I'm gonna roll. Maybe.
I had to stop because I was going to hit the pole.
Oh, I was gonna stop. I was gonna tell you that you were
Oh, no, I saw it.
started going. Tire hit the rock. Hey, stop! I was like shit.
Ugh. Well, I hope it caught most of it. Oh, yeah, she caught it. Nice.